Did you know that starting healthy habits now can set us up for an incredible new year? Forget about waiting until January. Today is the day to start building routines that will transform our mental and physical health, boost our energy, and set the tone for our new year. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. This channel is focused on motivation, inspiration, and self-empowerment through cultivating a positive mindset, embracing high nutrition, holistic health and wellness, so we can live a rawlicious lifestyle. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful habits that will help us kickstart our new year today. As we approach a new year, today is the perfect time to build a foundation for health and wellness that will set us up for success in the new year. Rather than thinking about starting to make changes January the 1st, beginning today gives us a kickstart that can lead us to lasting changes. It gives us a head start towards our goals by practicing, building, pursuing, and dedicating ourselves every day to changes that move us forward. So let's get into the powerful ways to building daily routines and habits for a healthier us. Number 1, prioritizing me time. We all know life can be overwhelming, especially as we close in on the holiday season. Maintaining positive mental health is so important as it affects every aspect of our lives, from relationships to work performance. By practicing gratitude, it helps us reduce stress, improves our mental focus and clarity, as well as enhances our emotional resilience for what's ahead. So how do we build the habit of me time and gratitude? By scheduling time to write down what we're grateful for, we set ourselves up for our day in a positive tone. Another way is creating a gratitude jar. Each day, write down one thing we're grateful for on a small piece of paper and drop it into the jar. These are easy and visually impactful ways to grow appreciation with a little bit of me time. Number 2, enhance our physical health. When we enhance our physical health with functional fitness, meaning exercise that prepare our bodies for everyday activities, it focuses on strengthening our muscles, improves our balance, flexibility, and endurance. So how do we build the habit? Start by scheduling a daily time to do short consecutive workouts like lunges, bending, squats, and planks, along with a few minutes of stretching. When we sit all day, let's set an hourly alarm throughout our day as a reminder for quick stretching to increase our flexibility and reduce muscle stiffness. Number 3, adopt sustainable nutrition. One of the best habits to establish today is incorporating more raw plant-based foods into our fuel style. A variety of fresh, organic, raw fruits, vegetables, superfoods, nuts, seeds, and sprouts provides our body with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber. And this boosts our energy levels, improves our digestion, and supports a healthy immune system, all key components for a healthy kickstart to our new year. By adding just one raw plant-based meal, smoothie, or green drink to our fuel style every day, it ups our nutrition. So how can we build this habit? Swap out bread for lettuce, cauliflower rice for real rice, apple slices with almond instead of a peanut butter cup. Number 4, invest in quality sleep and recovery. Quality sleep is so important for our mental and physical recovery. Creating consistent bedtime and awake time routines helps regulate our sleep cycle, which allows for better rest during our sleep and increased energy when we wake. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep every night by avoiding any digital screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Avoid consuming foods 4 hours before bedtime, and don't drink any liquids at least for an hour before bedtime. Otherwise, these things will disrupt our peaceful and sound sleep cycle. Our bedtime is a routine we need to build similar to our morning routine. We need time to wind down, relax, and get ready to enjoy our sleep. So how can we build the habit? When we set consistent bedtime and wake up time, even on weekends and holidays, yes, you heard me correctly, it helps to keep our body in a natural rhythm, which improves our quality of sleep and will make us feel energized in the mornings. Number 5, embrace self-growth. A commitment to self-growth can transform our mindset, improve focus, and create opportunities for lifelong learning. We can do this by setting aside time each day to read personal development books, listen to empowering podcasts, watch informative and motivational YouTube videos or movies. We can do this by setting time aside each day to read personal development books, listen to empowering podcasts, watch informative motivational YouTube videos and movies. These powerful daily actions will give us tools, inspiration, and motivation to master our goals in the new year. So how do we build the habit? We can do this by setting a goal to dedicate a few minutes each day to learning something new to help us grow personally and professionally. Read one chapter of a book, watch one YouTube video or movie, and listen to one podcast every day. Easy peasy. This simple yet effective method will bring meaningful results for us. By starting today, we will establish consistency, making it second nature by the time the new year arrives. By starting today, we are giving ourselves a kickstart towards a vibrant, healthy, and fulfilling new year. These habits will prepare us for regular and consistent routines, cultivate a sense of control, well-being, and confidence to carry us through every day and far beyond New Year's resolutions. The journey to health and wellness starts by kickstarting it today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with anyone who might want to kickstart their new year today. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing content on personal growth, empowerment, and high nutrition. Sign up for our free raw news, which is emailed out every Monday. And pre-registration is now open for our new course called Change Your Game. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video and have a amazing day.